Ever wondered how a tiny bee finds its way to the perfect flower? It's not just luck. It's a brilliant, centuries-old partnership. Flowers have evolved some seriously clever tricks to get the attention of bees. And today, we're diving deep into their amazing world of attraction. First up, it's all about the visuals. You might think flowers are colorful just to look pretty for us, but those vibrant petals are actually giant billboards for bees. But here's the cool part. Bees don't see colors the same way we do. They can see ultraviolet light, which is invisible to us. Many flowers have secret UV patterns on their petals, acting like a landing strip, guiding the bee directly to the nectar and pollen at the center. It's like a hidden map that only bees can read. For example, a sunflower that looks plain yellow to us might have a dark, bullseye-like center in the ultraviolet spectrum, shouting, "The good stuff is right here." Bees have an incredible sense of smell and can distinguish between these different scents, helping them find their favorite types of flowers and return to them again and again. This loyalty is exactly what the flower wants, ensuring its pollen gets carried to another flower of the same kind. Now, let's talk about the reward. Bees aren't just visiting for the pretty colors and nice smells. They're hard workers on a mission to collect food. Flowers offer two main rewards: nectar and pollen. Nectar is a sugary liquid, basically a high-energy drink for bees, fueling their flight and the rest of the hive. Pollen is a protein-rich food source, essential for feeding the young bees back at the colony. Flowers have perfected the art of presentation. The nectar is often stored deep within the flower, forcing the bee to brush against the anthers, which are covered in pollen. As the bee drinks, it gets dusted with this pollen. And it doesn't stop there. The shape and structure of a flower are also designed with bees in mind. Some flowers, like snapdragons, have petals that form a sort of landing platform. Others are tube-shaped, perfectly matching the length of a bee's tongue. There are even flowers that use static electricity. As a bee flies, it builds up a small positive electric charge. Flowers, on the other hand, tend to have a negative charge. When a bee gets close, the pollen can literally jump from the flower onto the bee's fuzzy body. How amazing is that? It's a delicate dance that has been happening for millions of years, and is responsible for much of the food we eat and the beauty we see in the natural world. Next time you see a bee buzzing around a flower, you'll know there's a lot more going on than meets the eye. Thanks so much for watching and learning with me today. If you enjoyed this journey into the secret life of flowers, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing nature stories. See you in the next one.